Use the given information to write a polynomial function. Use the given information to write a polynomial function. Okay, basically what we're doing is we're grabbing the intercepts and one more point. We're grabbing the intercepts and one more point. So we're given an intercept right here at 4. We're given one right here at 1. And we're given one right here at 3. So we're going to write an equation y equals a. The reason for a is our scalar. We do not know how tall or flat, tall or skinny, tall and skinny or short and fat this thing is. So I got a root at 4, so the factor for it would be x minus 4. Oh, except for the fact that Mr. Hunter can't read. This over here is actually a negative 4. So since it's a root at negative 4, the factor would be at positive 4. I got a root at 1, so the factor is x minus 1. And I got a root at 3, so the factor is x minus 3. Okay? So that's the setup. From here, we're going to plug in our point. Which, let me pick a different color. Yeah, I like that color better. So we're going to plug in that into the x and y. So y is 3 and x is negative 1. So we got a 3 equals a, negative 1 plus 4, negative 1 minus 1, and negative 1 minus 3. Okay, and from here we're just solving for a. So do what you got to do. So 3 equals a, that's what? 3, negative 2, negative 4. Okay, which 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24? Yeah, it's 24. So I'm going to divide the whole thing by 24 in order to cancel that out. And 3 over 24 reduces down to, they're all divisible by 3, so that's 1 over 8 equals a. So, your final equation, which we shall write in a new color, y equals 1/8 x plus 4, x minus 1, x minus 3. That's your equation. And my son is turning off more lights. Great. Alright, here we go for this one. Alright, so they give us 3 zeros again, and they give us this 1 point. This point we're going to use for our scalar. So here we go, we got y equals a. To the x, it's a minus 3, so it's a plus 3. It's a positive 4, so it's going to be an x minus 4. And it's a positive 2, so it's going to be an x minus 2. Hey, buddy, how you doing? All right, then we're going to plug in our x and our y. So your y is 24, and your x is 1. So 1 plus 3, 1 minus 4, and 1 minus 2. And he has a big runny nose. 24 equals a. 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 minus 4 is negative 3, 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So to get rid of all that, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 1 is 12, but I got 2 negatives, so it turns positive. Oh. So we're going to divide both sides by 12. So 24 divided by 12 is 2. So your final equation is y equals 2 times x plus 3, x minus 4, and x minus 2. Done.
Hold on.
What do you mean, hold on?
I'm going to show you how to make a 2.
How to make a 2? I'm sure my kid would find that riveting. Make a 2 for me. Perfect.
That's a 2.
That is a 2.
And that's kind of a different 2.
It is kind of a different 2, but you know it's more of an artistic 2.
Yeah, it's an art biscuit 2.
An art biscuit 2? Yeah.
Yeah, and that's a number 2. And this is 12.
Good job. Do you know how to make a 123?
And if we get that one away,
Did you just erase that? Good job.
it's still a 2. If we erase that one away. Oops.
You erased my 2. Put my 2 back. I don't care. Here, let's get the round one back. Well, I haven't even shown you how to erase on this thing. You already figured it out. What's that?
Oh, 11.
Oh, I thought it was railroad
you-
tracks. You know what you do? If you want to turn 11 into railroad tracks, you're going to go... Now they're railroad tracks
Yeah.
with a train on it. Choo choo. All right, Daddy's going to get back to work.